Hey, Tim here from Analogics Outdoors. I just wanted to do a little recap on that hunt for Curley. I didn't get much pre-roll of him because there was a lot of buckthorn, and basically when he stepped out he was in bow range, so I just started rolling the camera and only got the footage of the shot and him running off for a brief second, and it was just happened so fast. But that was the same deer that while he was wearing this set of antlers, I had him at 7 yards. He came into the edge of a field and then walked right directly at me. So I didn't want to take that frontal shot, but then he looked up, saw me in the tree, and bounded off, so I never got a shot at him. But it worked out because, you know, this year he grew into a mainframe 9, and, you know, he's close to 150 inches, so it was nice to finally wrap up the story on that deer. I actually had 4 years of pictures of him. I don't know if that first year he was a 1.5 years or a 2.5 years, but it's still nice to be able to see a deer, you know, grow over that 4-year time frame. And he was always very recognizable. He had a very distinct coat color, and I'm really looking forward to get his antlers back from the taxidermist. That's where they're at now. So it was just nice to wrap up the story. Check it out. Meh. I just smoked Curley. Yes. Pretty sure I got a double lung on him. This was literally 30 seconds after I shot a nice doe here at 5 yards. I mean, it's November 3rd. I'm out of venison, so I wasn't even thinking about, well, I was thinking about shooting a buck, but I needed the doe, so I shot the doe, and literally 30 seconds later Curley comes out, and I smoked him, double lunged him. He just ran off into the woods there. It's not even, it's 3:18 right now. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What an amazing day to be in the whitetail woods. This is incredible. I gotta check out the footage. I'm hoping he didn't walk out of frame, but he might have. Well, here he is. This is the buck I call Curley. He's my #1 hit lister. Hit him a little bit back, so we had to give him overnight, and it was a little bit of a arduous track job, but we got it done, and just a beautiful Minnesota buck on the ground.